Hello, again welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text to animation with AI free with no limit. This tool is much faster than any tools. Now, let's start the video. For creating our animation video, we need to have our video script or story. For this we use ChatGPT. Click on the description link. Now we on ChatGPT dashboard. Write a video script prompt. I will enter this. Write an animation adventure story in just 100 words. And click here. That's it. Here is your video script. Now we generate our animation video. For this we use steve.ai. Click on the description link. Now we on steve.ai website. Click to sign up for free button. Create account here. Now we logged in. Click here to make text to animation video. Click start button. Here you need to enter your script. Go back ChatGPT and copy your script. And paste it here. Then click here to choose your video about. Here choose animation video. Now click here to create voiceover. Choose your voice as you like. I will choose this.
Hello, I am Raveen.
And click generate voice. Go to next. Here you need to choose your design style. I will choose this. Alright. You can see Steve started generating your video. After generate your video, you can edit your video. You can edit character, motion, style, visuals, captions, voiceover, background music and more. After complete editing your video, go to download. And click download. You can see steve.ai generating your video. That's all. Now download your video. Let's see how to look at this video.
In a vibrant, enchanted forest, Milo, a curious squirrel, discovered a mystical amulet. As he touched it, the ground trembled, and a portal materialized. Eagerly, Milo leaped into the unknown. He found himself in a magical kingdom ruled by talking animals. They were enslaved by the wicked sorcerer, Malachi. With newfound friends, including Luna, a wise owl, Milo vowed to restore harmony. Their quest took them through perilous jungles, treacherous mountains, and a fiery volcano. Armed with bravery and teamwork, they confronted Malachi, shattering his hold on the kingdom. The animals rejoiced as Milo became a legendary hero of the land.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video then let us know in the comment box. Please like and subscribe to my channel.